Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to do text classification or sentiment analysis using MediaPipe in NextJS. Now here I have some hard-coded text inside my app. I'm using NextJS. You can use any web framework you want to, that doesn't really matter. So here I have hard-coded some text, and if I click on classify, here you can say it is positive, and this it is confident this much percent, so 89% confident. Now if I just change it to something like, I don't know, get out, I guess. Okay, and I'll quickly refresh this, and if I click on classify now, here you can see it is negative and it is 0.74% confident. So let's see how to do this. So first, inside your package.json, you will have to install this MediaPipe /task text dependency. Once you install this dependency, inside my page.txt I have marked it as use client. Now this is a Next.js thing, because every page in Next.js is server side render or statically rendered. Next, I have imported file set resolver, text classifier as well as text classifier result from MediaPipe task text. We don't need this image, so you can ignore this image component, I mean. And here from React I have just imported use effect. We don't need this as well. Okay. Next, inside our page I have created a variable for text classifier, and inside use effect I am calling init method, and inside init I am just calling file set resolver dot for text task, and I am passing our CDN. Now this version should match the one which you have inside package.json, and here we are initializing our text classifier, and here I am passing our model asset path, and max results I have kept it to 5. And on button click, I'm just checking if text classifier has been initialized. If yes, then I'm just calling text classifier.classify. I think we don't require this await as well. Okay. And here you can just print a console log like categories, category name. If you want, you can use a for loop as well, but I'm just printing the first one, then the score as well as the display name. Sometimes the display name is empty, so yeah, be careful with that. If I just quickly refresh, if I click on classify, yeah, you don't need async await. So yeah, that's it. That's how simple it is. Thank you for watching. Bye.